Grand Rising. All right, so I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know in 60 seconds, okay? So think of your mind, your soul, as the creator. This is what makes everything. And then everything is projected out, or it is objectified. It is pushed out into your screen of space. So it's pushed out into your 3D world. So your 3D world is actually a byproduct of your mind, everything that goes on in here. So if you want to change what's going on in the outside, the 3D world, in your screen of space right here, then you need to go within yourself and change it. And you do this by creating a scene that implies that the change has already been made. It's very simple. Once you go within and you feel the vividness of that, then your outside world is going to change. I just told you everything that you needed to know in 60 seconds. I hope that you have a beautiful day because life is so good.